No soldering required. Effectively save labor costs. Plug and play. The wiring time of one unit is approximately equal to the wiring time of 4 units. Save on installation costs at the same time. Installation hours have also been greatly shortened. 60% reduction in installation volume. Effectively save installation space. Reduce debugging time. More powerful. One brain, 2 trunks, to achieve high-precision gantry synchronization. .380-volt servo drive can match 2 kinds of voltage motors. Maximum 4-axis configuration for a single unit, even scalable to more axes. Common DC bus, high efficiency and energy saving. Smart integration, flexible expansion. 730W new compact motion control solution. The best choice.